Let me explain something to you, brother. Sometimes as men, we worry about the wrong things. We worry about the cars. We worry about the clothes. We worry about the jewelry. We worry about the money. But if you got a good family, man, you got a good woman, you got a good household to come home to every day, you already rich, my boy. Because we worry about the wrong things, bro. And I tell you from experience, I done it all. The cars, the clothes, the bags of money, all of that, the jewelry, all of that. But if you ain't got that good foundation, after a while, none of that shit means anything, man. So when you go home to that good woman, that good family, and you look at your children, man, and you say, this is peace. Because the money, you going to figure it out. That shit is everywhere. It's 2026. You put that in a pot and let it simmer for a little bit, see how it cook.